Welcome to Server Software. This is the demonstration video for V++ version. Press enter to login. Now, suppose the customer is visited to the lab and you have to register the customer. Then click on transaction. Then click on booking. This is the booking form. You can change the salutation for the patient. If I have changed the salutation to Mrs., the gender will be automatically changed to female. Again, I am changing the salutation to Mr. and the gender will automatically change to male. Now, press enter to move forward. We enter the customer name. Patient name is Rami. Now enter the patient age. Patient age is 34. Again, press enter to select the doctor. We can select the doctor in two ways. First is, you remember the doctor code. Enter the doctor code and press enter. Doctor name will automatically be available. Another is, press F1 key to display the list. Enter the selected doctor and doctor will get selected. Now we have to select the sample. We can type the sample name or you can press the F1 key to select the sample. Press enter. Sample will get selected. Now you can input the lab boy's name if he is going to collect the sample. Suppose the lab boy name is ABC. Now collection charges if you want to take. Now you have to select the test. We can select the test in two ways. If I remember the test code is HP, I input the HP and press enter. Now I don't remember the code for lipid profile. Press F1 and enter LIPI. This is the lipid profile. Press enter. If you want to exit the test, you can. If you want to exit, press enter to save the booking. This is the receipt form. Patient name, booking number, and receipt number is already coming. If you want to give discount, I want to give discount about 10%. Now, you have to decide. You have to give the discount on lab behalf or doctor behalf. I'm giving this discount on behalf of doctor. Now, input the net amount. Net amount is 369 rupees. Press enter to save the receipt. You can press yes if you want to print the slip at random. I'm pressing no to view the receipt. And this is the receipt view. Exit the receipt. This is the result window. If you want to enter the result right now, you can. If you want to exit, then press exit button. Now I have the result and I want to input the result. Click on test results. Press F1 to select the patient. Press enter. Now I'm entering the results. The values which have to be calculated will be calculated automatically. Now view the result by pressing no. This is the result view. You can print it on header. Now suppose I want to view the reports. Click on report. Today's booking list. This is the report for today's booking. Again, I want to take the report for sample taken by. Press enter. I want to see the report for ABC. This is the report for ABC lab boy. I want to check the report for day report. Press enter. This is the day report. Now I want to add doctors. So click on master. Again, then click on doctor. This is the doctor form. First part is doctor code. Suppose the doctor name is Amit Bansal. So the doctor code I would prefer is AB, the initial of doctor name. These fields are optional. If you want to fill, you can, and if you want to skip, you can skip. Click on save. Doctor name is saved to the list. I had to check. I'm clicking on booking. Enter the doctor code AB, press enter. Doctor name will be automatically available. Now if I want to modify the test, click on master, then click on test. I want to modify the test code HP. Click on OK. Test will be open in edit mode. This is the test code, testing, hematology group, rate 60. Suppose I want to change the rate to 70. Press enter. This is the parameter hemoglobin for which I have to fill the result. This is the unit, range. You can fill the range on different basis. 3 months, 1 year, 6 years, 12 years, male, female. I'm changing the female range up to 20. Press enter and click on update button. Then accept. If you want to change the rate for multiple tests, then click on revise test. Suppose I am changing the rate for QBC. I'm giving it rate to 150. Press enter. Click on accept. Again, I'm going to booking form just to check whether the rate has changed or not. Enter the code QBC. Searching F1. This is the test code. Double click on it and the rate is 150. The rate gets changed. This was the demo version for B++. Press exit to exit the software.